everybody? It's your girl Naila, and I'm back with another YouTube video. Today what I'm going to be doing is a full face makeup look using only NinimichelleCosmetics. Oh my gosh, it's not focusing. Oh, there we go. There we go. Let's get into these brushes. They might be dirty because I already used them. But yeah. Yeah, they dirty because I used them. I forgot to clean them. But hey, they smell good to me too. For some reason. Doing our eyes. Because I already did my eyebrows. That's going to be in the previous video. But yeah, so we're going to get into the eyes. Let's get into this palette though. I already used it, so don't judge me. But do you see that? What? I don't know what color I want to do. I might do a little something with these two. Let's get into it. What? This is very pigmented. Like, oh, I'm getting a little too much, but this is very, very pigmented.
Can I lie? Can I fucking lie?
We're starting off with this one as the first base, and we can put the glitter on top. That's gonna be really cute. I see the vision. I see the vision.
Within, the power within, the power within, the power within. Yeah.
Nia, girl, you did your thing, girl. You see that shine? Ooh. I already know this finna be bomb as fuck. Okay. Alright. So, we're gonna use another brush. Come on, come on, come on. Alright. O-M-G.
Wow! Oh my God!
I see the vision. I know it's about to be popping. What? Oh, baby, stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with my life. Put some on the inner of my eye, too. We need it everywhere. Ooh, this is just... I see it. This is about to be real cute. I just know it. The edge. And just tap, tap, tap in.
Tap, tap, tap in.
Okay, y'all. I'm back. But I don't know which lashes I want to put on. Done? Or Lita. I'm gonna put the little ones on. Alright. Apply them now. Got my glue. And got my Q-tip. So let's start applying. Now that I'm done with my eyes, I'm about to apply my foundation. I use Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation and concealer. Foundation brush. So, let's get into it. I should have been. Is it so nice? Oh. Oh, baby. The brush is like really soft. Really soft. What? Supposed to be another foundation brush, but I use it as a concealer. I'll show you what I do. LA Girl Pro Conceal, by the way. I use that. Put like sometimes I do lines, sometimes I do it together, depending on how I'm feeling. But I make sure I put a lot because I have a lot of bags under my eyes. Cause I get no sleep. No sleep. Purr. Alright, put some bridge in my nose. Cupid's bow. My chin. We don't really need much up there. We'll just put a little bit. So, I just pat it. Boom. It's still a little wet, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna let it sit for 2 to 3 minutes. So I'll come right back and show. Alright, I'm back, you guys. I had to fix my lashes too because they were on the wrong side. I didn't even notice. So what I'm doing is patting it down. So you see the difference? What bags? I don't see no bags. Who got bags? Not this one. Per all of that. Now that we have that, I'm gonna get a beauty blender. My spray bottle. Add it down some more so I get everything. But that's what I've been doing usually. Using that brush. Well, foundation brush. I'm gonna call it a concealer brush because I use it for concealer. So I use it under my eyes, bridge of my nose, top, Cupid's bow, and my chin. And then I get a beauty blender, pat it down so it can stay on my face. Boom. What bags? What bags? Since I'm going to be setting my face, I got to set the concealer, set everything. I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Powder Brush. Tap, tap. And just apply. I apply as much as I want because I don't want none of this looking crazy. Setting for a little bit. We're going to get back into the palette and we're gonna add some color under where the waterline is a little bit. Get back into this color and just ooh, what's that? See how pigmented that is? That looks great. Alright. Get the same powder brush and just boom. The highlight I will be using is by Essence Pure Nude. Can't really see it, but I've been doing this a lot lately. If you want to try it, you could do it too. So I use the same powder brush. Tap, 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 or however, and then boom. Ooh. You see that? Great. Wonderful. Amazing. Get some on my cheeks. But yeah, I just been using the same. I use the powder brush for my highlight as well. Put some on my forehead, put some on my chin. So I'm gonna be using the Essence Get Big Lashes for my mascara. Okay. Now I'm gonna add some lip gloss. This is by Glow Getter Company, and this is the Rose Petal lip gloss, clear lip gloss. To set my face with the Mario. Don't know how to pronounce the last name, but we finna use that. Ooh, smells good. Now that is the finishing look. A review on this is very pigmented, very pigmented. It does do a few flyaways, but I'm okay with that. It doesn't bother me. The brushes are very soft. Lashes bomb as always. But if you would like to purchase some of her brushes, her makeup palette, her lashes, or maybe want to get a gift card for your homegirl, sister, auntie, mama, or something, I will leave all the information down in the description box. Y'all check out her business, y'all. It's very good. Y'all will not regret it. But this is my look. This is glitter wet eye look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to comment. That is very important. Comment below what type of content you would like to see more from me, more from Ananda, more from the both of us. And, you know, stay tuned. More videos will be coming soon. I love you guys. Have a good day. Peace.